Hey YouTubers, welcome to my channel. This is Suzanne coming to you from my backyard. Now this video is going to be about the corrections I made to the track. I wasn't going to post my previous videos because it had the old track system, but I decided to post everything anyway. So this video is going to be about the corrections I made to the track. Now if you watched my previous video on the track system and my supplies, what you see now was not in that list. I had to take the plastic plumber's tubing out and replace it with copper. It was the most stable thing in the track, as you can tell. Doesn't bend like the plastic did. Also too, I replaced the elbows. So what I did was I had 3/4 inch elbows and I replaced them with 1/2 inch because I went with a 3/4 inch copper pipe. So it fits beautifully. This is a 3-foot piece that I got from Home Depot, and I didn't have to cut it, and it fit perfectly with the two elbows. Now the nice thing about this, as in the previous setup, is that I can take this apart very easily, and which I love, because in the fall, but I'm going to take this apart and store it indoors for the winter and reassemble it in the spring, in early spring. So this is what I did. Now in the previous video I did have the copper, so I left the copper here. Now I'm debating whether or not to start the hoops at this end and actually put one hoop on the other side of the bracket so it's fixed in place, and see if it'll hold. Right now I have to fix the cover. The sides are too long, and so I have to sew them up, hem them, and make them shorter. And so bye for now, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, see you soon.